Gold yesterday has created another bearish candle, and the price has closed the day below the previous day close. We can see that here. And this was just what has been said in the yesterday analysis, and that is the price is trying to make a movement downside. And this is what has happened. Yesterday the price has created a large wick on the lower side, the way the price has touched 2474.19 as support level, and it has tried to move up but did not manage to reach the highest day price level. But then it has reversed back down, and we can see that price has gone below, where the price did not close below 2484.78, which is a really important support level for the sellers to push the price down and down. The price managed to reach a support level, which means that selling pressure is still active, and currently the price has formed this small candle, where several hours I have just passed this day. But for now, as it looks on the chart, this looks a bearish overview for me at least, where the very important support level will be this one. First one, 2484.46, and the second one will be 2474.19. For now, if the bulls would like to get back the price to the indecision price level, they first should go above this price level around 2502, which I have mentioned several analyses before, which was a very important level. If they return the price up on the daily basis, this will indicate first indecision range area, where the price was held for several days in the past, and then they will need to make a bullish breakout above this one level around this area here. Now for now, as it looks, even though this is a bullish pin bar created, it is created right here at the support level, but only with a wick. For now, this is potentially a bullish signal, but this is something that I need to watch on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame to see how the price behaves currently around this one here. I'm saying currently this is a bearish overview how the market looks, and we'll see will the price manage to go below 2484 or it will return above 2502, which are very important levels for the bulls and the bears currently. Now 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame will show much more clear information how this looks, and is there any potential bullish pin bar or engulfing candle or a bearish pin bar, which will suggest bearish or bullish breakout that will happen. So the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame for the daily time frame are the first signals where the price could move, just like in this example where I have shared the details with the traders inside the Telegram group, how the price behaves, and also when the price is formed a 1-hour time frame or 4-hour time frame bearish or bullish breakout. I have shown information yesterday that the price could go even more down, reaching this support level, and especially after this breakout was happening around 2502.85. This is all for today. If you would like also to check the daily analysis to receive information where the price makes a breakout 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame for the small time frames, which are very important for the daily, you can also check the Telegram. The link will be below in the description. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.